In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Shopify customer support. Whether you're stuck with a theme issue, a payment problem, or you just have a quick question about your store, knowing how to reach the right support channel can save you a lot of time and frustration. I'll walk you through the exact steps on your screen and also share a few tips so you get the most helpful response as quickly as possible. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard and log into your store. This is the main area where you manage products, orders, and settings. Make sure you're on the correct store if you have access to multiple ones, because Shopify support will use this context when helping you. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the settings option. Depending on your layout, you'll usually find it at the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on Settings to open the settings panel for your store. This is where Shopify groups everything related to your store's configuration, and it's also where you'll find access to help. Inside the settings area, look for the option labeled Get Help. Click on that. Shopify will now redirect you to their help and support page, which is designed as your main hub for troubleshooting and contacting support. On this help page, the first thing you'll notice is a search bar. This is really powerful for quick answers. You can type in specific queries like refund an order, shipping zones, or change my domain, and Shopify will show you articles, guides, and community forum discussions. It's often faster to scan these official resources first, because many common questions are already covered step by step. If you've tried the search, or you simply prefer direct assistance, look towards the bottom right-hand corner of the help page. You'll see a small button or icon that opens up a support chat or assistant. Click on that if you'd like to speak with a human representative, or start an interactive support session. Once the support window opens, you'll see a box where you can type your query. Be as clear and specific as you can here. Mention what you're trying to do, what you've already tried, and any error messages you're seeing. The more detail you provide, the easier it is for Shopify's system to route you to the right resource or connect you with a support agent who can actively assist you, and that's it. By following these steps, you'll always know how to reach Shopify customer support directly from your dashboard whenever you need help.